turbo whistle. Mike, what are we doing?
Changing the driver's side inner tie rod.
Why are you doing that when it's the starter? I already told you it's the starter.
Is it? It starts.
Look at him. He knows what he's talking about.
Look at me.
Look at that white shirt. Look at that white shirt. He knows things.
I don't know if we need to.
That's why this thing's called the Meme-mobile. We need to get you more memes to make this thing more.
Oh, more stickers?
Yeah.
When I turn on the AC, the little propeller goes. Oh yeah. Dang nut too.
You gotta bust an extra nut?
No, they gave me an extra nut. So I got 2 nuts.
That's crazy. Let's check on the meat. All right, one-handed, here we go. Yep. Oh. Oh. Delicious. Oh, here goes my shoulder. Ooh, smoky. You sack of poop. Language? Yes. Damn.
I got a 4-way.
Yeah, but we got a.
You got a agadaga?
Yeah, let me go get the.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're cooking.
Cooking with ketamine now.
Cooking with ketamine?
You never cook with ketamine? Hold up. I didn't see it. Do it again. I still didn't see it. Shoot.
It ain't supposed to be that loose.
Damn.
Barehanded.
Oh. Is that a cotter pen?
Yeah.
What you need? What do you need? What do you need? You need a vice grip?
Oh, I need my toolkit.
This guy?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh.
You loose as it?
Yeah, that's more like it. Get them loose. I love that I can't even see what your hands are doing. I'm just getting hand action.
Hand action?
That's what the people want.
Get off of there, you sapsucker. I might just have to get my snip.
You ain't got snips? You want to get real violent with the vice grips, or?
No.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Oh. So, what are you doing right now?
That.
Oh.
They didn't snip off the extra. Like
that's a factory zip tie.
Zip a tie.
Oh. One in, oh. You in directions. You keep tightening stuff when you're trying to loosen. Oh, how'd that feel?
Felt all right, Steven. If you ain't smashed your finger, you ain't fixing the car. All right, grabbing me mallet.
Look at his ass.
Damn.
Beat him like he owes you money. Because he does. Ta-da! Yeah, it works. So just, you wedge that.
Like this? Okay.
Doesn't matter. Just put it, yeah, right in there. Uh-huh. Now beat the piss out of the end of it.
Oh. Well.
Like hammered in, yeah.
Maybe not.
Yep.
Oh, how
Science.
That sucker was in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Definitely would have beat it off.
Too gay. Oh, tasty.
Yeah, look at that. That's loose as heck.
Is that not supposed to be like that?
I don't think so.
Okay, well, if you don't think so.
I gotta take this end part off, and I gotta count how many turns.
What you looking for now? You want a pair of vice grips?
I don't know yet. My leg.
I was gonna hand that to you, but all right. Hey, I'm not a doctor, but you should crack that nut loose first.
Okay. Do I get a?
You got a wrench?
I have a big enough wrench.
You want another vice grip?
Probably could.
You want an adjustable? I've got an adjustable. That'll work.
Yeah.
Maybe try the other way. Nice.
Holy crap, I almost scraped my knuckles. One rotation. Oh crap, that's nice.
It doesn't matter. Just count the rotations.
2, 3, 17, 18.
18.
18.
She's of age. Better than the last girl you dated. Oh wow, she's really loose too. Can you grease these?
Yeah, it came with grease.
Where do you put the grease in?
Beats me.
There's no Zerk fitting.
Yep.
How?
That's nice. They gave me grease when those.
Do you just pack the boot? No, the boot's on there.
Yep.
What do you? I don't get it.
That's the question, Steve. That's the question, Steve.
The damn Japanese. Smarter than us. They made greaseless ball joints. Maddox, tie rod, enters, tool set, remover, 5,000.
Got it from Harbor Freight. Clearly a giant socket.
Damn. Make that into a suppressor. Sounds like a witch's fart. Just
It's gonna be a pain.
bow up on it. Show them who's daddy. Show them who's boss.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think I got it.
Feels like it.
Definitely easier than the other tool I had.
Good. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Crusty like grits, baby.
It'll line up in there. You see? Oh. Then I have to line this up with like. See how the other one was loose? I can't even move this. I think it's in there.
Okay. I mean, if you think so, I think so. How much did you pay for this car?
$8.
$8. $8.
For the number of new beginnings.
Ah.
For the lad that gave it to me.
It's gonna have new beginnings
What I've
after we
seen
do
people
all
do,
the parts on here.
they like drilled their own hole on the top.
For the
They put their own
Zerk
little
fitting?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Maybe. I don't know. Give that a try, maybe someday.
Not on these ones. On the next ones, I changed. What do you need?
Oh, this
You gotta tighten it with the Maddox suppressor.
Yeah, let's call it the suppressor. Huh?
Yeah. Oh. Show us those muscles.
Shut about 100.
Shit about a Honda. Do you know what torque that's supposed to be set to? Or?
No.
It's gonna take everything you got for 160. Oh. 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 The other black and red thing.
It might move, but.
And you're certain it's 160?
Yeah.
Okay.
Set.
That's what the Google said.
That's literally what it said.
Here.
Steve.
I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to do any better.
Papa Steve.
Pimp Daddy Steve's gonna bow up on her. Bitch working at the corner.
Oh. What?
There you go.
What?
That's what being a man means. Cool. Calling it good, yeah?
Thanks, Papa Steve.
Anytime, baby.
Anytime, baby.
Now, with the boot.
Das Boot on.
Hooray.
Pain in the butt.
Well, I mean,
Hope nobody had to go through that.
it only took like an hour to change one part.
Yeah.
30 minutes of that hour was just getting the boot on.
Sadly.
Yeah? Yeah, that's probably good. That's probably good.
I don't want to get a hernia.
Yeah, another one.
Another.
What?
I had one.
Maybe. Who truly knows what's in one's ass? So, what do we got to do now?
What?
Put wheel back on?
Yeah. Well,
Wheel back on, we done?
yeah. Oh yeah, the keys are still in it.
Oh, yeah. the turbo chirp.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm just kidding.
now we're back on Black Bess, the 71 station wagon. Damn. And I don't have park. We put a brick behind the wheels, right?
One brick.
Should be fine.
You want another brick?
Sure, why not? But if you look here, I have to like pretty much bash the thing into the dash to get park. And I only have third gears, the lowest I can get. I can't get it down to first. So we're gonna go under there and see if there's something we can tighten up or lengthen or bend. Race to check it to meet.
Check that meat.
The fucking pterodactyls like it. Okay, ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh.
So that's as far as I can go.
Yeah.
Am I hitting something?
It might be like down, like in front somewhere.
The next day.
Surgically remove the problem. Oh yeah, there's park right there.
The next day.
All right, we're changing this tensioner now because I believe it squeaks. That's why I've been spraying grease on it, and it's original junkyard parts. We got 2 bolts in it. Hell yeah, that makes it really easy. Where's the ratchet at? Cool. Let's start it real quick. Make sure the belt's not just gonna fall off. Still squeaks. Whatever. Well, that's gonna just about do it on this one. I've got another idler puller. Another idler pulley. Got another one of those circular wheel things coming, but it's not going to be here for this video. I got to get this thing out. So the squeak continues for at least one more day. So like, share, subscribe, do whatever they tell you to usually do at the end of these things. You know, get out there, have some fun with your projects or whatever it is that you do. Just go do something.